This is Pradeep Kumar, and today I'm going to talk about how to deploy NuxtJs based application to a cPanel based hosting automatically using Buddy.works. Okay guys, so first we will create a Git repository, then we create a NuxtJs based application, and we will commit it to GitHub, which will automatically being picked up by Buddy.works pipeline, and then it will be uploaded to the cPanel based hosting. Let's see what we are going to. This is the technology stack we are going to use. The first is NuxtJs, which is a view framework for creating an SEO friendly website. NuxtJs is very fast. There is no reload. It is just that it pulls some data and show it. Okay. The next is GitHub, basically for maintaining our repository. The second is Buddy.works, which is a DevOps Automation Tool. Next is cPanel based hosting. Okay, let's get started with this. Let's create a Git repository. Next, we are going to clone it. Here is our repository. Let's use PHP Storm. Cloning is complete. Okay, so our project is open here. Let's install NuxtJs. Here is, let's go to the guide, and here are your installation guide. So I'm going to just run this command application within this directory, so I'm not going to put any folder name. Make sure you have installed npx as a global node package. Okay, so project name, let's say NXT, or let's say NuxtJS deploy. Buddy.works test. Package manager is going to be npm, and I'm not going to use any of these framework, so I'm going to choose none. And here also I'm not going to use any framework, so none. This is something that you probably choose because in most of the cases you need to make some Ajax requests. Here I'm going to choose ESLint and none. I'm going to create an universal. Complete. Let's try to run the server. Npm run dev, and the compilation is completed. Let's get started. Let's see. This is the page that we can see. Okay, it's properly working. Perfect. So we have basically set up NuxtJS based application. I'm not going to talk about how to work on it. At the moment, we are just talking about how to deploy this NuxtJS application on cPanel. Okay, so the two steps we have completed. We have created an Git repository, cloned it, and installed the NuxtJS. Now let's configure a git ignore file. Actually, it is already there here. And what we need to do actually to deploy NuxtJs on cPanel, there are two ways. The one is basically you upload the entire NuxtJs files and run a node server, just like what we have done here, and keep it running using PM2 node module or node package. But I'm going to talk about the other option. So what we are going to do, we close it and then we run npm run generate. What it is going to do, it is going to basically create another folder here named as dist distribution, and that's the folder that we need to upload on our cPanel based server. So I'll let it run and we'll come back. Okay guys, so you see that this file has been created, and this is the entire folder that we need to upload on our cPanel based hosting to basically run this uh, application. So how we are going to configure this? Let's go to Buddy.works. It offers free 5 repositories, so you can probably sign up for free and use it. So now what we are going to do, let's commit it first. So I'm going to commit and make sure that your dist folder is actually being included. You see that I don't see that file here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to review in this ignore file, and probably what you need to do is remove these these 3 lines that will include our files. Or probably what can you do, you can actually ignore this one, that's perfectly fine. We need to remove this one and see whether this has been included or not. Yes, this has been included, perfect. So we basically commit NuxtJs application, go here, commit, and then we'll go on GitHub and try to see that all the files have been uploaded. Perfect. So we have all those files, although we just need to upload this folder. Now we are going to use in cPanel details to deploy this application. Okay, so now we are going to create a project. We'll keep the project name same. So it will come from my Git repository. So here it is. It's syncing. Now we are going to create a pipeline, and let's say deploy using FTP. And this is going to be on push on the branch of master. Okay, create a pipeline. Then it will ask what is the medium that we want to upload. So we are going to use an FTP, and here we are going to set up. So what folder that we want to deploy, we can actually choose the folder, this one, and choose this current repository, and then we are going to use FTP details. And then choose where we want to upload this folder. So we are going to upload it here, and probably not in this folder. I'm going to create another folder for the demo purpose and then come back. Okay guys, so I have created another folder where we are going to deploy this. So we go in public and then NuxtJs and choose the current one and add this action. Now upload the files to this. I think this is it, and we need to run pipeline. This is, let's say, first upload and run. Let it run. I think this is already run. This is passed. Let's see. So we go resolve.io and then NuxtJs. So here it is. Your application is deployed. Okay, let's just test one more time that whether this entire process is working or not. So we go here. We are going to make some changes in our pages. Let's say here is going to be, let's say, version 2.0. Let's give it a try here. npm run dev. Okay, so this is running and we can see v2.0 and this is on localhost. So that means we have made the changes and these changes are being reflected here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to generate it again. So npm run generate. This will again generate some files here in disk with the new changes. Okay, so it's done. Now we are going to commit again. This is going to be version 2.0 and commit. Go here. Now on this particular commit, this pipeline will run again. You can see that it is waiting and it is passed. That means the files are uploaded here and we should be able to see the changes. See, this is what we wanted to accomplish. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe the YouTube channel. We will keep uploading new videos. Thank you.